Hello and namaskar everyone. I am Prashant and this is the fifth episode on my channel. Today we are discussing about the extraordinary benefits of price action trading. Why price action is so important to learn. What all are the benefits of trading based on price action and price movements? Why should you not trade using indicators on your chart? How you can trade emotion free, and most important, how you can become a successful professional trader. That is all we are going to discuss in this video session today. So stay tuned. Okay, so before we discuss the benefits of price action trading, let us first understand what exactly is price action. When I started trading in my initial days, I did not knew what exactly does this price action means. All I knew at that point of time was price moves because of the indicators, because indicator gave a buy signal or gave a sell signal. That is the only reason why price is going up and down. Slowly and gradually I realized that price moves because of the traders, because they want to buy a stock, because they want to sell the stock. So those were the confusions initially when I was trading based on indicators. Even though I was earning some profit, but I was never a confident trader. I used to earn, but I also used to lose money. Price action is simply price movements, because indicators are derivatives of price. How indicator gets us buy signal or sell signal? When price moves, then indicator gets the signal of buy or sell. However, when you learn price action, when you will learn trading based on price movements, you will know when and where price is going to turn even before a signal comes. That is the beauty of price action. Okay, so now let's understand the benefits of price action trading. First important point is you will have clean chart. So you will be able to see price movements clearly, which is important, which is what you should look for when you are trading. Because when you will have clean chart, you will have your trading psychology in place. You will not have to keep your concentration on the indicator's signal. You can stay calm and wait for the price to turn. Wait for the price to give you signals that it is about to turn so you can take entry or exit. Second point is you will have less confusion, because when you are trading based on indicators, you will be plotting at least one or two indicators on the chart. So all your concentration shifts from price movements to indicator signal. And that time difference of 1 second or 2 seconds or the time you took to analyze the signal and then take the entry is the time lapse, and you are losing points, you're losing money, you are late in taking an entry when you are intraday trading. So as you can see on the chart, I have plotted 4 indicators on the chart. You cannot see chart clearly, you cannot see price movements clearly, because all your focus will shift towards indicator signal. And as you can see, super trend, RSI, MACD, stochastic, these are the four most popular indicators which most trader used. However, if you will see the signals they are giving, super trend is giving a sell signal. However, RSI is not giving a sell signal yet. MACD though is giving a sell signal, however, stochastic again is not giving a sell signal yet. So you have to wait for the indicators to give you signals, and by the time it gives signal, it is already too late. So you will be confused whether to take the entry or not, or whether this time signal is correct or not. There is nothing that you can confirm with, because all of the indicators are giving different signals. So you cannot confirm one from the other. However, when you trade based on price action, you will have less confusions. More rewarding. Absolutely, it is more rewarding. If you are trading based on price action, you will be able to get the signal before the price has already moved. You will get the signal that the price is about to move, so you can pinpoint your entry. As soon as the price moves, you have your entry on the chart, on the stock. However, it is not the same case when you are trading based on indicators, because after the price has moved, then you will get the signal on the indicator, because indicator derives their signal from the price movement. But when you have learned price action trading, price movements, then you will get the signal even before the price has moved. You will get to know that price is about to move, so you can pinpoint your entry and exit. And that is how it will be more rewarding. You can enter before and you can exit before as well. It works all the time. Absolutely correct. It is working all the time. No matter if it is a daily, weekly or monthly chart, monthly time frame, or it is an intraday chart of 5 minute or 1 minute. I have been trading Bank Nifty on 1 minute time frame from several years, and I have been profitable with that. Price action works on all the time, and it also works on any stocks, no matter what. If you are able to plot a chart, whether it is a stock, a future, option, currency, commodity, no matter what you are trading, as long as you are able to plot the chart of that script, you will be able to trade based on price action. Signal before indicators, I have already explained that. Indicators are the derivative of price movement. So when price moves, then indicator generates a signal. When you learn price action, when you learn price movements, you will get the signal before the price is moved. That is the beauty of price action trading. It is the oldest trading methodology. If you have ever watched traders or jobbers, this is what they used to be called, jobbers on Bombay Stock Exchange or on any international stock exchange trading floor, you would find out that the traders used to trade directly on the floor. There were no computer trading at that point of time. So do you think that they were trading based on indicators? No, they were not. They were trading directly based on the price movement on the real time. So it is the same thing. Price action is what is the modern technology. We are able to trade on internet, on computer. So it is the same thing. Price movement is what reading the price, which is what they used to do initially when there were no online trading system. Objective approach, yes. When you follow price action, when you follow price movement, your approach will be objective. You would not have your mind pre-prepared that it is giving a bearish signal, so you will sell, or it is giving a bullish signal, so you will buy. When you are following price action, it can give you any signal, buy or sell. So you will have an objective approach in the market. Whatever type of signal comes, as long as it is a valid signal, you will take the trade, no matter if it is a buy or sell. Discipline by far is the most important ingredient of becoming a successful professional trader. If you do not have discipline in the market, you will lose no matter how good your trading strategy is, how good your risk management is. Price action does exactly the same. Price action removes your concentration from indicators to price so that your mind will have sufficient time for the trading psychology to work on. And by the way, I've also created two videos based on trading psychology on my channel. I will put the link in the description so you can go and watch them. They will build a character of a trader, which is what you need if you are starting trading or if you are new in stock market trading. Even if you are old or even if you have been trading from a long time, I will advise you to watch that video of trading psychology. It will help you in your trading style, in your trading career. But price action helps you maintain your discipline when you are trading and also help you build a character, build a professional trader character. Now, I have also created a price action trading course where I will be discussing from the very basic, starting from candlesticks to trend identification, because when we are trading in stock market, we should know what the trend is, how we can draw trend lines, how we can draw support and resistance levels on chart, how we can analyze the volume, and then price action trading strategy. It is a complete price action trading course which you will ever need to be a successful professional trader in stock market. I will put my number in the description. You can send me a WhatsApp if you are interested to take that course. So I will share the details with you and I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, happy trading.